media amanya neddobozi nze Hadija Kibuzo okutuusaako obulamu bw'omuntu waali ku kyeya ate nga bw'ondaba essaawa eno nkakasa okimanyi nti ndi mu dduuka ate ng'oliraba lisubula Gomesi. So mu kitundu kyaffe eky'Obutale mu Dubai olwaleero nkuleseeko gye basuubira Gomesi nga wenna abadde ambuuza ebibuuzo Hadija Kigozi gye basuubula Gomesi olwaleero tuli waneero mu dduuka ate nga ngenda kubeera kutwalako maduuka ag'enjawulo tumanye price ya Gomesi etambula etya. Tuli Dubai wesizira okuweereza ate nga ba Speed Express be bateekamu ssente gwe wenna ali eyandaba beera ng'oddukako ku offices zaabwe ziri awo opposite ne Banyas Metro Station ku Deira Tower ate obeere ng'okola ki ng'obabuuzako ku services zaabwe ez'enjawulo ze balina omuli okubeera nti no balambuza abantu bakolera visa ate ku bbeeyi esinga okubeera ennungi poza ate ne PK Property Kampala bakujjukiza gwali ku kyeyo nti beera ng'ogenda weefunira ettaka bano banjagala boutique simanya ssente simanyi kyazikolamu interior designing byonna bakwasaganya bulungi nnyo wabonda mulundi gwo gusooka amanya gange Hadija Kigozi nga nkutuusaako obulamu bw'omuntu waali ku kyeyo tuli Dubai nkujjukiza wensinzira okuweereza just bw'oba oli mpya ku channel ennyonyi gaakagambako ka subscribe okubeera ng'ojoininga show ate waba oli ku Facebook oba ku Instagram beera ng'olikinga page ofollowinga okubeera ng'ojoiningirawo ngenda okubeera nkutwalirawo essaawa eno mu maduuka ag'enjawulo ate tulabe Gomesi zino ziri zitya okusingira ddala mu kitundu wenzize Gomesi ezisingawo okubeera ennyingi okusinziira bwendaba batundawo Gomesi kwegamba eza emikolo abalina nika material ezisinga okubeera ez'amaanyi ate ezisinga okubeera ez'ebbeeyi so kati njagala obeere ng'otambula nange olwaleero tulabe this is our African wear. I hope everyone knows Gomesi is our African wear gye tukozesa naddala ffe Abaganda okubeera nga tuyanjula simanya bino bikolo kwanjula byonna twambala Gomesi zino naye nga te materials eziri wano osobola okolamu ebintu bingi nnyo. You can make party wears, you can make shananas and so many other things. So kati ebintu nga binene biri waneeno zino materials bakolamu ebintu bingi nnyo bakolamu party wears bakolamu emishanana bakolamu ebintu bingi nnyo poza ate sirabawo bikooyi sinnabakulaba ku bitambaala ebisiba Gomesi naye ng'ate olunaku olwaleero ngenda kubeera kutambuza bulungi nnyo edduuka lyenzizeemu siri Abanayuganda of course era tusa tosuubira kubeera nga feedback ogifuna mu Luganda naye nga tetugenda kubeera tugezaako. How much is this?
5 yard, yeah, 5 yard.
5 yard? What is 5 yard? Meter?
Yeah, yard.
Yard is meter.
No, meter. Meter 100, yard 90.
90.
Tens.
So which one is yard? What is yard?
Yard. This is yard.
This is yard.
Meter little big.
Okay.
Very good.
This is a yard.
Yes.
This is a meter. This is a meter.
One Gomas 5 yard.
5 yard.
Yeah.
So 5 yard is enough for one person.
Yeah, one.
Like me, how many yard do I put on?
4.5, 5.
4.5.
Yeah.
So how much is 1 meter?
1 meter coming 45.
45.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is this material?
Organza.
Bachala. Emikono gyammwe gituse ndozolaba yino Gomesi bannayende. Yonna enekaanekana okufa obufi. Ndowooza mbeegerezeemu oba oli awo. Mulabe wennyini.
This is color.
Okay. So this is it. Eh? How do I look? How do I look, Yam?
You look cute.
Nice.
This is a very nice material, of course, for Kwanjula, for Mishanana, stuff like that, right? So you can get this. Omwami angambye nti you need only 5 yards, as you say, over meters, okubeera ng'ofunamu ate Gomesi namba. Okay, so 1 meter is how much? 45 dirham. Okay, yeah. 45 dirham, that is like
5 yards, 225.
Okay, 45 dirham, how much is that? 45k Ugandan shillings, eh?
40k, 44k.
44k. Okay, so 44k, that is like 44k for 1 meter. Naye ku mukyala agenda okwanjula. Really? Okubeera ng'ofunye Gomesi esinga okubeera ennungi. Nga buli mita ogikuze emitwalo 4.5. Ate nga zino Gomesi naddala ez'emikolo baziseerera ddala, ozisanga mu kakadde, ozisanga mu mitwalo emeka, zisuubira ndowooza ekyo kibeera layisi. Okay. So katika tulabeko ku kika kya Gomesi endala. So what type is this?
This is from organza.
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 Organza, is it, what is this? It's a material?
Yeah, this material organza, this one I'm making stone.
Oh, okay, stone. Eh?
Yeah,
you make it from here or
yeah,
you
stone
export?
making here.
You make here?
Yeah, stone making here.
Okay.
Less coming to China.
Okay, less coming from China.
Yes.
The stone you make them from here.
Dubai.
Okay, so now in Uganda we have this. We have our culture wears, of course, in the introductions, weddings. Yeah?
Yeah.
This is the kind of dress we wear.
Yeah.
Okay, there's this wrapper. They wrap
Wrapper.
around. You have it?
No.
No? Okay, so when are you expecting to bring it? You don't know yet. Okay, can we see another type of Gomesi, please?
This one sequence.
This one sequence?
Yeah, this sequence coming to.
Banaye bakyala ndowooza Gomesi muziraba ka material nga kalungi kaneeno. It is very soft and of course very nice.
Okay.
Yeah, very nice. Okay. I hope you see the material. It is very beautiful, of course, with very beautiful colors. Kano katimba omukyala bw'obeera okakozeemu Gomesi, really I think you can look so beautiful. Okay, I know we are not going to check everything. If you have a chance to show me like some more, you can show me like 5 or 3. 25, that's like 24k Ugandan shillings. Ate nga weewangulira Gomesi ey'omukolo etebagana mu Butaala n'omushanana ng'ogenda ng'otungisa ate ng'obeera malidadi sana. Okay, so kati yino Gomesi era nga bw'ogiraba nti ddala ya mukolo. Akugambye nti buli mita ya mitwalo 2.5 egy'e Kampala. So kati emitwalo 2.5 weetaaga mita 5 omugolo oba okimaze. Oba tolina kirala kye weetaaga.
This double.
What is that?
It's just double.
It's a black Gomesi.
Yeah, this one.
This
black.
one can also. Okay, so you make this. Okay, you put this inside, eh?
Yes.
Banang. Wow, this is nice.
Just double, okay?
Wow, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Bakyala, temulina kye mumanja ate nsuubira bye mnakoze eki mbibalaze bulungi nnyo.
This is like 1 meter.
Yeah, this one.
So you will have this one, the green one,
Yes.
for inside.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This one all color have.
Oh, all colors. Let me see the colors. Show me.
Yes. This
Okay.
one all.
So you will have a green for this one. Eh?
Yeah.
Put on me, let me see. Okay.
Yeah, this is my new customer
This
come.
is your new customer.
Yes.
Okay. Hello. How are you? So you came to buy something from here.
Yeah.
Okay, you came to buy for your mom.
Mom,
Where are you from?
France. I'm French.
You're
You
French?
speak French?
No, I don't speak French. I'm from Uganda. I speak English only. Okay, so how is it for you? You have bought before? This is your first time here?
No.
No.
I bought already.
Okay, how is
Already
it?
sent to me.
To your country.
Yeah.
You come here to purchase or just to buy for one?
I actually came here to purchase.
To purchase. Wow.
Very nice.
Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
That's my sister.
Oh, this is your sister. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay. How are you? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
You're
too.
from France as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm okay. How are you? How is business?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. You're getting customers?
Yes. Small
Small coming. Inshallah. Inshallah, everything will be okay. Okay. So how is the summer?
Yeah, this one fabric.
Sorry?
This fabric Korea. This one handmade.
Handmade. This is handmade. Yes, I have seen this one. Okay. Okay. See you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. How are you? How is the place here? How much is the Gomesi? This is Gomesi?
Yeah,
This is my African wear.
African wear is more.
How much is it here?
This I will give you 1 year this 65.
65 dirham.
Yeah.
So this one used for wedding? Or
Yeah, for wedding.
Okay,
For, yeah.
65 dirham mu Uganda zilinganga mitwalo 6 mita emu. So nga ate era ndooza Gomesi ogirabira ddala amayinja kyekyo kiriya okitegeera. Okay, so how much is this?
Which one? This one? This 1 year this 30.
30 dirhams. Huh? It looks beautiful. This is the Indian wear. Okay.
This is Afghanistan.
Afghan.
Yeah.
Okay. You're from Afghanistan? Wow. Nice to meet you. Kyalo ndooza ka volume keeko. Eh?
And this one also with stone.
With stone.
Yeah.
Yes.
Chiffon with stone.
Chiffon with stone, eh?
This one also satin.
Satin.
silk. Yeah, satin. silk.
Satin. Okay.
With stone. This is without stone.
This one, Gomesi? Gomesi?
Yes.
Okay. How much is 1 meter?
All the purpose.
Very nice. 1 meter?
I say different material, different price.
Okay, like for example,
For example, I have 25 dirham yard, 35 dirham yard, 30 dirham.
how many yards for one person?
For one son is coming length small 6 yard Gomesi.
Like 4, eh? 4 meters.
See, this Gomesi is coming like this one is 100.
100, already 4 yards, eh?
Yes.
Okay, ate kati nga zino ordinary gomeses eza bulijjo ndowooza muziraba ne material ndaba ya siliki. This is silk, right? Bannange, you know Luganda, eh? Oh my God. You know,
Uganda customer.
you have Ugandan customers. Okay, that's very great. Too much. Okay, so kati eno gomesi nga bw'ogiraba ya siliki zibeera mita 4 at 100 dirhams, which is like 110k Ugandan shillings. Okay, everything here is good, and this friend of mine, he speaks Luganda. He has told me Banage. So many Ugandan customers come here, right? Okay, my friend, thank you so much. Thank you.
Alright, nsubira nti gwe wenna ndaba ofunyemu byonna byenkulaze birabika ndooza bikunyumidde nnyo kino kye kitundu kyaffe kya Subula Gomesi mu Dubai ate nga ndi mu kitundu bakita Deira. Okitegera okuliraana sabukaawo wonna layini eyo yonna basubulayo Gomesi bano banjagala mishana nanjagala simanyanga kwekolera mukolo simanya njagala bitya neegulire mita byonna obisanga side eno sobeera ng'onyiga akagamba ako ka subscribe okubeera nga ate ojoininga osobole okubeera ng'omanya ebintu ebirala bingi nnyo. Nga sinnaba kuva wano eno nkujjukiza nti aba Speed Express be banteekamu ssente okulaba nga ate sheeno efaanana nga bwefaanana. Beera ng'ogenda ku Banias Tower opposite ne Banias Metro Deira Tower level 2 room 202 ate obeere ng'onoonya ku services zaabwe ez'enjawulo ku visa, ku kugulawo akawunti muneno mu Dubai, okulambula Dubai n'ebintu ebirala bingi nnyo ate nga n'aba PK Property Kampala bali Kampala bakuguza ettaka erisinga okubeera eddungi mu kifo ekirungi ate bakufunira n'ekyapa. Ebeera ng'onnyigira bunyigizi kagambako ka subscribe koka okubeera ng'ojoiningirawo show. Ate wawondaba omulundi gwo gusooka amanya gange nze Hadija Kigozi nga nkutuusaako obulamu bw'omutuwo ali ku kyeyo. Mbeera Hadija Kigozi HK Media, subscribing.